Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I don't know what order these videos are going to be posted on, but just got done opening some of the Yu-Gi-Oh packs, and pretty much looking to take a break from that and probably do some Pokemon. So for this video, we're gonna be doing a Pokemon Paldea adventure chest. No, I went to GameStop a while back and just got random stuff, like random Pokemon stuff. I got some tins and then some packs, some blister packs and all that, but that'll be for a different video. For this one, is gonna mainly focus on this. Now, the contents of the box, it might be easier this side because I have limited space right now. Got 7 foiled promo cards, 1 sheet of text stickers, 1 mini portfolio, 1 squishy toy Pikachu, 6 Pokemon booster packs, and a code card for TCG Live. So, go ahead and get this opened and see what's inside. Well, I just told you what's inside, but see what's in the packs. I do have limited space, so it's probably going to be a bit hard to get the box in the frame. I mean, I could try moving this back a bit. So I got the wrapping off, and yeah, it cost $47 back when I bought it. So take this off, and we got oh, this is quite interesting. It's sort of like a little 3D box looking thing when you open it. So I guess you just, this one's a better angle. So yeah. So let's see what's inside. We got the promo cards. I think those are promo cards. Got the little box for the cards. Got a little, I guess this could be like a binder to put the cards in. Got the little Pikachu here. It sort of feels like a rubber type toy. It's not like a plushie. It's sort of rubbery. So I got that. Did we get everything that's in the box? What else? I don't remember. Take this out. We got the stickers. So those are the stickers right there. I believe that's everything. It just so no, it's not a. So on the front here, where it opens up, sort of pull, and it pretty much pulls up the packs that come in the box. Interesting concept. It's a very interesting box as well. But is it worth $47? I'm not sure. So we got one Paradox Rift, one Obsidian Flame, another Paradox Rift, Obsidian Flame, Scarlet and Violet, and a Paldea Evolved. Oh no, that's my card there. I want to damage that. So let's take a look at the spine. I don't think this is $47. I think you're paying for the 3D box. Okay, how much are a pack? Somewhere like $4, $5? So maybe $25 for the packs alone? I don't know. So the binder is just single sheets. Guess one card at a time, unless you wanna risk it and put multiple cards in here. I'd rather just have gotten sleeves. Then on this box, we have, I'm guessing it's the promo cards. Probably you heard the dogs barking in the background. So, I think they're the promo cards. Fix the lighting. So we got the Pikachu, Pomo, Palmy, Tandemus. Whoops. So those are just 4 promo cards? I'm not sure those are very valuable. Then on that one thing that we pulled from the top of the box, we have more promo cards here. So I'll probably just keep these in here. Not really any reason to take them out. Because I mean, I don't think these are going to be valuable since they're promo cards. So I'm just going to leave them there and just open the packs. Let's see, I'm going to guess just mix them up. And if you guys didn't see the Yu-Gi-Oh! The first Yu-Gi-Oh! Video, it's probably an update on what has been going on. Pretty much, I forgot what pack was this? Is it 2 or is it 3? I don't remember the card. I think it might be 3. No, it's 2. There's 1. I don't remember. Oh gosh, I think it was, what, 1? 2? Anyways. What was I gonna say? Oh yes, the last pack that I opened, where I said I was giving away 4 packs. That person that won that never responded after I posted the updated video on YouTube. So I still have those 4 packs. fourth. I think they were Paradox Rift. Yeah, Paradox Rift. So we have Leaf Energy, got an Apom, Galvantula, Mantic, Pansage, Farthorn, Cursed Duster, Orbeetle, Golosapod, Horsey, and Shinpao. I haven't opened these packs in so long. I don't even remember the card tricks. What? Is it 2 or is it 1? I think it's just a 1. We're gonna find. So we got a Fighting Energy, Mawile, Togedemaru, Greavard, Lechonk, Trevenant, Electros, Flamigo, Greavard again, Bronzor, and a Gita. So nothing too crazy. I imagine we don't get anything from these. Like that would suck. Is this the energy? I think this is the energy. So, Psychic Energy? I think? I don't remember. It's been so long. Purloin, Mindfu, Ferroseed, Gibble, Semipore, Sabrika, Luxurious Cape, Mindfu again, Apom, and a Chiyu. Okay, next pack. I think all these are just one card. I honestly can't remember. I think it's one card. So we got the Psychic Energy. I still don't remember if it's Psychic. Panico, Flittle, Fuecoco, Drowsy, Candlewaltrel, Greedence, Crocodile, Stunjorner, Cacnea, and a Armarogue. The code card. Okay, we got Water Energy, Kufint, Krogunk, Rukidi, Magnemite, Pyroar, Luxio, Luminous Energy, Fletchling, Nimble, Lokix. And then we're down to the last pack, which is an Obsidian Flame pack. The code card. I can remember to do the card trick before I... Anyways. Leaf Energy, Combi, Diglett, Rowlet, Baltoy, Poppy, Lunatone, Dartrix, Stoutland, Salandite, Togekiss. That was it. Well, did we get anything good? Not really. The packs were had value. Cards, not much value in the cards. So pretty much we got nothing good. So lesson learned, not to buy the, what was it? Some bloody box. What's the box? $47 box that literally had nothing good in it. I don't know where the... I don't know. I said in the beginning of the video, forgot what the name of that box was called, but it's not worth it, because unless you want the contents in the box, otherwise it's not worth it at all. I mean, you might be lucky, you might get something really good, but cards I got, not good. But at least we got the plushy Pikachu. So yeah, pretty much it. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and please subscribe. It helps me know that you enjoy these kinds of videos, and I should go over to GameStop and Amazon and buy more random boxes that do not give me anything good, so that you don't have to waste your money on them. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.